Can you say hi?
Hi. I'm opening this.
You're opening up a toy? Let's see what toy Laura's opening. Laura has, hold on a minute, Laura has, a McDonald's Happy Meal toy from the Little Mermaid from, let's see, what year is this? 1996. And it says that it's Ursula, an Ursula bathtub toy. So we'll see. We hope it's an Ursula bathtub toy because, guys, she likes all the mean guys from the movies.
The jellyfish.
The jellyfish. Gauzy likes all the mean guys from the movies, so she's been asking me for Ursula and Maleficent for like months. So we're hoping this is an Ursula toy. Hey guys, can you do your Maleficent laugh? Try again, do your Maleficent laugh. Is that how you do it? Usually you go, ha ha ha. Yeah. Kinda hard. Sorry, I can open it. Let's see what we got.
Open it with...
That is really hard to open. Okay. Some tentacles? What? Oh, is she a blow-up toy? Ursula's a blow-up toy. Need mommy to help? There's Ursula. Can you do Ursula's laugh? And these are Ursula's little eel minions. I can't remember what their names were. Little mean guys. I don't know, like, if she's supposed to wear them around her or what, because there's no instructions. But there she is. She's a bath toy. Now Laura has the mean guy she wanted, huh, Laura? Oh, it's a ring toss game.
Yeah.
All right, Aaron figured out that this Ursula is a ring toss game.
Ursula toss game.
Yeah, that sounds great.
We're playing Ursula toss game. My turn.
We're kind of beating Ursula up with her little evil minion dudes. That game looks hard.
I got it once and Laura got it 3 times. Not 4.
She's standing right above her, huh?
Yeah, Lauren said she's cheating.
Good job, Laura! You did it! This one is a Knex toy.
Oh, yeah.
That came in a Happy Meal.
These are Legos.
They're Legos?
Yeah,
We're going to
we're
open
gonna
those up.
open.
Here, let me see what year they're from. Let's see if we can find a year. Ages 5 and up. You're kind of little. Collect all 4. I'm not even sure what Happy Meal this came out of. Like what food place this is from. And it doesn't seem to have a date on it either. But we're going to open those up. See what it builds, huh?
Oh, hi, little puppy. We got Legos,
It says it builds 2 cool models. Didn't hear them fall down. That's a lot of pieces.
And the instructions.
It has the instructions.
About...
This has pieces to build a helicopter and a dragonfly. Warren wants to build the Knex. Warren loves to build, huh, buddy?
I have to build my Knex.
You want to build the Knex? You want mommy to show you the instructions? Our instructions for sissies. Warren likes to just look at pictures, like just the picture of the whole thing that's already put together, and then build it. He doesn't do the whole step-by-step thing. He's amazing, huh, buddy? Hey, War, show him the helicopter. That's our best interpretation of the helicopter. It's falling apart. The instructions for this are truly terrible. It's just one little instruction. Okay, go ahead and open that up. We'll see which Star Wars toy you got.
Where's my scissors?
There's your scissors. Scissors. That's probably a bad idea.
Whoa.
Whoa, what is he?
He's trying to reach.
Is that like Boba Fett? He is trying to reach. Let's see. He's got humongous arms. Look at that. Whoa, holy cow, look at those arms. Is there another piece in there?
Yeah.
Let's see if he does something. What is that?
It's off.
It's an octopus. Let's open it up and see.
This is the instructions.
Okay. I have no idea what that piece is, so we're going to have to look at those instructions. Can you open the instructions up?
It's a book.
It's a book. Let's look at it. It's Balancing Boba Fett. So, instructions. Place Boba Fett's chin on the top tentacle of the Sarlacc base. Let him go and watch Boba Fett appear to fly over the pit of Carcoon.
Oh,
He's diving! What am I doing wrong here? There he goes. There he goes. He's balancing. Is that crazy, Goose? Do you think you can knock him off of there? Do you think you can make him lose his balance, guys? This one's pretty cool because we know it's from Ice Age and we know that it's from Burger King, but you can't see what it is. And it doesn't say what it is, so...
Yeah, let's cut it open.
Cut it open and find out what it is.
Yeah, let's see if it's another Ursula.
This one's from the movie Ice Age with that little squirrel guy and the woolly mammoth. I don't know if you remember that movie. Watch your fingers. Oh.
Hello, guys. Hello.
There's Erin.
What are you guys doing?
Laura's doing a video. She's opening up Happy Meal toys.
Cool.
Oh, what's that? A piece of ice?
Is this Ursula?
Okay, ice. Yeah, she got Ursula. Isn't that cool?
What
did you get? You got the mammoth? You got the mammoth. That is so cool. Does he have instructions? Oh, there's more pieces. Okay, there's another piece. Looks like snow. And we have instructions. You love it? I think Gauzy likes her Manfred toy. Oh, don't twist it that way. It goes the other way. You're going to break it. Go the other way. There she goes. Oh, there he goes. There he goes.
Warren, why are you always climbing on the table?
What? Are you on my table? Did he climb down the ramp? What do you think of that toy, guys? Is he pretty cool? Okay, guys, look at Mommy. Look at Mommy. Can you say, hey, are you mad? You want to hold the helicopter? What are you mad about? Hey, can you say like and subscribe for more videos? Laura's trying to throw stuff at the camera and she got something on her head. Gauzy's throwing things. She's having a gauzy fit. She's throwing a gauzy fit. Hey, Goose.
That's tape.
Alright, too much fun for Goose. She's freaking out. Alright, Warren, can you say like and subscribe? Warren, can you say like and subscribe for more videos? Is anybody going to give me a like and subscribe?
Like and subscribe for more videos.
Say bye.
Subscribe for more videos.
Subscribe for more videos. Okay, can you say bye-bye?
The subscribe button.
Stop throwing things at me. Somebody's trying to get a hold of Mommy. I should probably stop ignoring my phone.
Subscribe button if you want to watch some more.
Good job, buddy. Stop throwing things at me, you monster!